ways that Halloween can be done safely. First of all, depends on where you live. And so Halloween activities take place outside, which is better than indoor activities. So keep the activities outside. Bundle up if you're in colder areas. Make sure you stay distant, so stick with your family, your immediate family, and try not to do it in bundles of other children and other families. Keep that separation. There's ways that you can approach houses and pick up the candy. 1 piece of candy per household, please. And then use disinfectant, the hand hygiene and all that kind of stuff. And a lot of Halloween costumes have masks. So I don't know, we have not done any studies on looking at Halloween masks and protection or source control, but I think there's ways that Halloween can happen, but it really depends on where you live and it depends on how much virus is circulating. But please do it as individual families and try to make sure that you don't congregate. Because the virus does need people to transmit between, so if you can avoid those crowded situations.